Hi everybody, this is your PED-110 LN12 instructor Brian Kaprowski, and I would like to welcome you to this class. Today I want to create this short video to go over the important parts of the class, to go over the assignments and the syllabus with you so that you have a better understanding of what is expected of you and where to find all the important information within the class. First thing I want to go over are the tabs that are located here on the left-hand side of the course. The first tab you can see here is the announcement tab. Yesterday, you should have received this announcement via email. All the announcements that I post will be sent to you, as well as they will be posted here on the announcement page. The important part for you to know on this last announcement that I sent yesterday is, remember, I need you to click on the Start Here tab, which we'll go over here shortly. And I need you to complete steps 4, which is the email to be sent to me, steps 8, the online orientation quiz, and step 9, the consent and accountability form, and step 10, I need you to take that academic integrity quiz. This is all due next Tuesday on September the 24th. September the 21st. Okay, and that's important that you complete those steps in order to remain in the class for our census reporting period. Okay, next tab let's go over is our contact. This is some information on me, my contact information, on me, where my office is located. It's located at the new Chatham Health and Science campus located in Pittsboro. If you ever have an opportunity to come to this campus, it's beautiful. It was open in 2020. And if you ever need to stop by my office is located in 107H. Okay. Let's go to the Start Here tab. So this is what I was referring to within the announcement page. So what I need for you to do as soon as possible is I need for you to click on the Start Here tab, click on the orientation folder, and I need you to review all the steps that are contained here. So this would be step 1. This is kind of a course tour. It goes through the various aspects of the course. I need for you to review the syllabus, and we will be reviewing the syllabus here shortly. The syllabus is listed here, and I also placed it within a tab located here so you have easy access to it. Step 3, you need to review the expectations in the class. Step 4, remember that's one of the steps that are going to be due by the 21st. You should complete that step. Make sure you review the important due dates. That's contained within the course syllabus. I would prefer for you not to use the course calendar located in Blackboard to keep track of the up and coming assignments in the class. But instead, I would rather you use the course calendar located in the syllabus to stay on track with the assignments that are due within the course. Step 8, I need you to click there and take that online orientation quiz. Then remember that's due on the 21st, as well as step 9 due on the 21st, and step 10, the academic integrity quiz I need for you to take. Okay, so that's all located in the orientation tab within the start here. Okay, next let's go to your course resources tab here. Okay, so the course resources tab contains some folders that are important for you to click on and review. One important folder I want to go over today is if you're having any technical difficulties within Blackboard. If you can't access it or you're having trouble submitting an assignment, click on this tab here. And I need for you to contact our distance education staff. And you can do that either by email or you can call them by phone. I unfortunately can't help you with any Blackboard issues that might arise, so you will have to contact them here using that email or phone number. Okay, syllabus. Let's go over to syllabus. So save some time. I open the syllabus, but remember it's located in this tab here. Okay. So this is here, again, this is my contact information, my office phone number, and my office location. I went over my student hours. So if you ever needed to come in and meet with me face to face, or you need to schedule an appointment so we can meet virtually on the computer, my office hours are 11:30 to 12:30, but I can be available to meet outside of those hours. And for you to schedule an appointment with me, click on my Calendly link here and to set up a date and time that works best for you around my schedule. This is important here. I answer emails within 24 hours during the normal business week, so Monday through Friday, and within 48 hours if submitted after 5 p.m. on Friday, and that would extend through Sunday. Okay. So the course description here. What's great about this course is you don't have to purchase a textbook. The textbook is actually embedded within the course, and I will go over how to access that here shortly. Class attendance. This is a grading scale. It's a typical CCC scale that we use here. This is how you will be graded in the class. So your concept labs and the written assignments will account for 50% of your final grade. The quizzes will account for 20%. The exercise logs will account for 20%, and the final project will account for 10%. Okay. My late assignment policy, this is really important to note. Assignments submitted after the due date will be accepted with a deduction of 10 points per day after the due date. Past due assignments will only be available for 1 week after the scheduled due date. The final project will not be accepted past the due date. Okay. And this is some COVID. So this is the course calendar. Remember, this is what I want you to go off of to keep track of the assignments and the up and coming due dates of them within the course. Okay, as you can see here, the email instructor, the online orientation quiz, consent and accountability form, and academic integrity quiz. That is all due on September the 21st. Okay, your first concept assignment. So you can think of the concepts as chapter assignments within the course. So your first concept assignment is going to be due on Wednesday, September the 22nd. So the day after these are due, this is going to be due. All assignments in the class moving forward will be due on Wednesday, and you need to submit them to me by midnight. Okay, you can just see this is what we're going to be following. We have exercise logs that are going to be due. I will send out an announcement probably during next week, actually sometime, and I will go over the exercise logs and what is expected for you to do on those logs. But in this class, part of the requirement that you will need to do is you will need to participate in a fitness program. It's not too strenuous with the activities, but you will need to perform some kind of activities, whether that be fitness related or activities of daily living. And you will need to perform that over a 5-day period, and I will need 10 activities that you perform within that 5-day period. You can see in the very bottom here, the final project in the class. Again, I'll send out another announcement when this will be due and when you will have to start it. You have to start this final project 1 month before the due date. And I'll create a short video and I'll go over the various parts and what's expected of you to make it easier on you. But just keep that in mind. And that final project is on the 8th, and final project late submissions will not be accepted in the course. Okay. So let's go back to the Blackboard class itself. So that's the syllabus. Let's go over the course module. So this is where you are going to be accessing the various assignments that are going to be due every week. So let's look at concept 1. Remember, concept 1 is going to be due on September the 22nd, so on Wednesday. Okay. So for your first concept 1 chapter, okay, there is the online textbook. So within the concept, you can just click here. It's an easy way to access the chapters within the course, and those will be each chapter will be embedded within each concept assignment. You could also review the PowerPoints here if you want more of a visual representation of what is contained within each of the concept chapters. Some course documents that I encourage you to review and watch the videos are listed here as well. So this is a discussion board. So make sure that you follow these instructions very carefully and you address everything that I'm asking for within that. Okay, so you have the discussion board and you also have your concept 1 lab, so the lifestyle evaluation form. Okay, you're going to open that, you're going to complete it, and then you're going to also complete for the concept 1 assignments your SMART goals. Okay, so on a separate document, please write 4 SMART goals. So your SMART goals should be 1 sentence in length, and I want you to use these documents here, okay, to help you create your SMART goals, okay, and watch these 2 videos here, and that will help you write the 4 SMART goals. I'm only looking for 4, and I need for you to submit these SMART goals in a Microsoft Word document. And within this announcement, I'll include a URL that you can click on, and you can get a free version of Microsoft Office that includes Microsoft Word, okay. I've had trouble in the past where students submit some other formats that Blackboard doesn't accept, and the best way to submit assignments in this class is Microsoft Word. So please, if you don't have Microsoft Office, click on that URL that I'm posting within this assignment and make sure that you download it. The last assignment that is going to be due within the concept 1 is your Healthy People 2020. Make sure that you're following all the instructions that are listed here, and the Healthy People document is located here within the course. Okay, if you needed to, and if you wanted to look at the course textbook in its entirety, you can click here on this tab, and then you could look at all of the chapters contained within the course. Okay. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me anytime. And again, it's great to have you in the class, and I'm looking forward to working with you throughout the semester. Take care.